Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing awesome. Today I'm making a drawing of a character from a very famous series. I'm sure you would love it. I'm using this watercolor paper. This is of Espresso brand. You can use any brand. Color pencils I'm using of Domes. This is a premium quality one. And for oil pastels I'm using Camel. You can use any good brand for all these products. I'm going to tell you all the tricks step by step during this video. So be with me till the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe it now. So let's get started. So we will draw the background first. I'm using a dark brown. Take the smaller strokes. Put black on the corners. And then use any regular tissue paper to blend it. While blending, just remember, if you think that the color is not coming well, then put more oil pastels and then blend it again till the time you're getting a proper result. So who all are the big fan of this series? I'm definitely the yes. Do let me know your favorite character of this series in comment section. And who's waiting for desperately season 5? This is gonna be the final season of this series. To blend the edges, I use cotton earbud. Use yellow gray here. And I'm going to tell you towards the end of this video why I have used a yellow gray here. So once you are done with this background, you can take out the tapes so that it's easy to draw with different angles. I'm using a 10B graphite pencil here. Flesh tint oil pastel. And then again, I'm using a fresh cotton ear bird for the edges. So mainly I have used three pencils here. One is 10B Graphite Pencil for black shade, and lighter brown and a darker brown pencil for shades all around. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it now. And please, if you like this drawing, please like the video as well. I'm always open to answer your queries. If you have any question regarding this drawing or any of my drawing, do let me know in comment section. I will definitely reply you. So I'm giving a dark brown layer here so that we can differentiate between mask hair and professor's hair. It's a little difficult to bring color pencil shades on oil pastel, so you really have to put a little effort here to bring this shade on oil pastel. So as I mentioned, here's the trick. For the hair, I'm going to use eraser and just give a little shades like this. I'm using a regular eraser here. You can use a pointer eraser as well. And then with the help of pencils, take the strokes for the hair so that it gives you a very good look. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new video notifications. I'll be back soon with a new video. Till then, please take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.